Hello, beautiful set of people. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time of coming across a channel like this is Zion Hub Logistics. And here we talked about anything that have to do with e-commerce, arbitrage, how you can make money online, and in some cases, we speak about importation business. So in a very quick one, if you find it difficult to bypass the Facebook monetization policies, maybe you have already reached up to 5,000 followers, you've already met the criteria of your 6,000 watch hours, and you've already uploaded 5 videos in the past, but what you are finding it difficult to do right now is this Facebook monetization policies, and maybe you also don't live in an eligible country. Guys, this is what you don't want to miss, because in this tutorial I'm quickly going to be showing you how you can get this fixed and the better solution to it, right? So now, in some cases, if you don't meet up with Facebook monetization policies, there are some little things that might cause this, right? Which I'm going to be speaking about. Now, let's start from what is Facebook monetization policies are expecting from you, and why are they not marking this as green, that you've already passed and what authenticate their Facebook policy, so for you to be able to be eligible to earn from Facebook, right? Now, these are what causes it. I'm going to be listing them out if possible. The first thing that normally cause this is when you post other people's content on your content, like on your page or on your professional dashboard profile. Now, there is something we called Facebook algorithm, right? So this algorithm is what match and mark your video as copyright video, in the sense that any video that they've already posted on Facebook before, and you still go and save that video, maybe from TikTok or from anywhere, and you still go and upload it, this algorithm is going to mark your video as a copyright. Is a machine that has already been placed on Facebook on itself. So it's not as if it is someone that is doing it, or maybe it is Facebook staff that is doing it. No, it is a matching that will automatically dictate that your video is a copyright. Forget the fact that maybe the person label it on his name or on his page name. No, it does not have anything to do with page name. But in as much the video is a copyright content that someone has already used on Facebook before, and is still the same minute with the minutes of the Facebook you posted, they are going to be marking it, and this go against Facebook page, their terms and condition, and their monetization policies. It goes against it entirely. So this will do what? This will give them access to mark your video as a copyright content. So this is one of the reasons why you are not eligible, or you are not marking, or you are not passing Facebook monetization policies. Now, what do you do? I'm going to be providing you two, okay, let me say three different solutions to this. Now that we've talked about why your Facebook, you are not passing, or you are not marked that you've passed their monetization policies. Now, what is the solution? What do you do? Right? Before we go to what are the three solutions that I'm going to be providing for you in this tutorial, right? Now, please, if you've already gained value so far in watching this very tutorial, please just give this video a thumbs up, comment that you've already gained something, and also make sure you do what? You like the video, and also share it to your students. Please, we need more followers, right? So now, what are the things you need to do? The first thing you need to do here is to go back. You can see here that I've already reached, if let me just show you something here. You can see that what Facebook need from me is 5,000 followers, and I've already gotten over 15,715 followers. Now, coming down to this one as well, you can see they need 60,000, and I've already gotten over 1.8 million views, right? Now, what do you need to do? Let's go to the first thing. Now, you want to come back to your page, but in my case, my own is not a page, but I'm using my own personal profile, right? You want to come back to your reels, the reels that you've already uploaded. You can see here that this reels is for someone else, right? I just wanted to do this so I can be able to quickly meet up with the 60,000 watch hour. You can see here that I have over 6K. I have a lot of viewers. You can see this one marks 1.2 million. So now what you can do to bypass the policies is to delete all the copyright content, in your videos. You can see that all this content, they are not my video, they are for someone else, and I believe something related to this must have been posted to what to on Facebook, must have been posted on Facebook. So you want to delete all this one after the other. You can see here, you can see this is Lasisi video, right? So I just go and save this video, upload it so I can meet up. So that is the first thing. You want to delete all these people's content first. Once you now delete all these people's content, you will now go and be posting your own content. That's the first solution now. Now, the second thing, after you are done deleting all these contents now, the second thing you will do you know it? Even though you want to still be posting this same copyright videos, like you want to be using someone else's video, do you know what you are going to be doing? Just go to InShot. You want to edit that video. You can just put maybe music, background music. Let's assume the video is maybe 1 minute longer, right? What you want to do in this case is just to add more minutes to it. So even though you re-upload it, they are not going to be marking it as copyright. The algorithm will just check it and it will mark it as your own personal video. So you want to just add some more glitch to it, maybe some funny mark videos, or you want to add your picture to it, or you just make it more longer, right? So that is the first one here. That after you must have deleted it, that's the first solution. Then you go and re-edit the video you want to upload. That's the second solution. Now the third solution is you are going to upload those videos after you must have deleted it. Oh, don't go and do this if you haven't deleted it. So after you must have deleted it now, then we'll now speak with Facebook. Like we'll screenshot this page. You come to your monetization tab here. You click on this monetization, then you will screenshot this page. Let me click on my in-stream ads. So let me just click on it now, right? So you will screenshot this page like this. Then you will now circle this if there is any need for you to circle this, right? You will circle it because this is what we are dealing with. In my coming videos, maybe I'm still going to be talking about how you can do this eligible country, but we just need this. Once we bypass this their policies here, we are good to go. To do the first one there, which is the eligible country, is not a problem, right? So now, once you screenshot this page, you will come to your profile here. Let me click on this guy here. You click here, then you want to speak with Facebook customer service now, like their support team. So you want to come down to click on help and support here. Just click on this drop down arrow here. Once you click on it, this page will pops up, right? So you want to click on report a problem, right? Report a problem. So once you click on report a problem, it will take you to this page. Now you want to click on here. You want to click on this guy. Let me drag this guy here. You want to click on continue to report a problem, right? So once you click on it here, then it will generate the report. So it will gives you different options, right? So here it's telling you that do you want to include or you don't want to include, right? So you can say you want to include or you don't want to include. So now this is where you can select the options of where you are having issues. Now let's assume you are having issues on, don't just let me go outside the topic, let me just scroll down here and look for page, right? Because we are having issues on our page. So you want to select what? You want to select page. And for those who are also using their profile, like their normal personal profile, for uploading videos, right? You can also go for profile. If you don't have a page, you can go for profile, right? So you can click on page. Is either the two. So if I'm to click on profile now, you can see here it's going to tell you to describe the issue that you're having. So in this case, you want to write that you want to write Facebook team. I wanted to generate it, but the time, I don't want this video to be a long one. I would have just generated templates that we can use. But in other hands, you can just tell them, you are going to be telling them that you've met all the Facebook what terms and condition by filling the necessary 60 minutes watch hour, you've upload the necessary videos and the likes, that this their terms and condition, their policies, their monetization policies is what you're having issues with. So they should please check your content and help you lift these restrictions. So once you do that, then you will now upload the screenshots that I told you to do what? You will now upload the screenshot from your phone here. Once you upload it, then you will click on what? It will gives you the option to submit. Now, it's simply because I did not type anything here. If I'm to just type random something here, then if I'm to upload from my phone, right? If I'm to upload, let me say I just want to upload this guy here. You can see it here. Then it will gives you the option to do what? To attach it. Then you will send it. Once you are done uploading, right? You just have cancelled the upload there. I don't want to upload Django. So you just click on this arrow to send the reports to them. So within 48 hours, Facebook team will review it, and their algorithm will also check it. Once it check it and they see that they've that you've already do the needful, that you've already done all the necessary things, then they will now mark it that you've already met with their monetization policies, right? And someone might also be asking me, maybe at the point of you watching this video, that what if I deleted all those videos? Like, would my 60 minutes watch hour will still be there? Yes, it will definitely still be there. Yes, honestly speaking, there is nothing is going to be removing it. It will be there, right? So once this is being done, you can trust me enough that you would definitely get that item being marked on your dashboard. You can always trust me on that, right? So I hope you find value in watching this video. And if you missed my previous tutorial on where I told you the terms and condition of Facebook, how you can quickly meet up with your 60,000 watch hour, the process to also meet with Facebook terms and condition, how you can also fast track all this process. I've already recorded a video on it, which I'm going to be leaving under the description box of this tutorial. You can also see it displaying on your screen after you must have watched this video. Do well to watch that video because you are still going to be learning there, right? So in my next tutorial now, I'm going to be showing you the practical step of what I've just explained now, like the practical step. So make sure you watch this video, and please, I beg you guys, I'm on my nails, don't forget to subscribe if you've already gotten value from watching this very tutorial. I beg you in God's name, please subscribe, right? So thank you guys for watching this video to the very end. I will definitely see you in my next tutorial.